Welcome to MapThat's how-to video. In this video we're going to look at the new snapping tool. So firstly we'll open up the drawing tools and we'll choose to edit the Liverpool planning applications. Once the drawing tools have opened, I'm going to choose the enable snapping tick box. This then allows me to choose to snap to the existing layer that I'm drawing against, the planning applications, but also my master map data. So I'm going to choose master map from the list. Having chosen master map from the list, I'm now going to use the drawing tool, draw on map. Here, if I wanted to, I could start drawing freehand in case the data that I'm drawing isn't snapping against master map, and then I can come on to master map and actually start snapping against the features that already exist. Each time I click on a vertices that exists within master map, I'll be snapping to that feature. If we now come round the corner and join up to the planning apps layer, I'm also snapping against the planning app feature as well. Then I can come back off freehand, I can complete the feature that I'm drawing, and this time we're going to fill in the attributes for the data, and once that data is filled in, we can save the new feature, let's say as a submit a planning application, choose the date and press OK. Once I press save, that record has now been committed to the GeoStore, and we now have a new feature using the snapping tool. Thank you for watching our MapThat how-to video. For any further assistance, please contact our customer services team.